Yeah.
I'm surviving a music video shoot.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 1, reserve your energy. You're gonna be dancing for a long time. You need to be as powerful at the end as you were at the beginning.
Wait, what are you doing? Oh my god. Just 9 AM shenanigans. Why do you guys have so much energy? It's like before 9.
Okay, the more tired I am, the crazier I am.
Okay, fair enough.
Number 2,
Eat breakfast and get sleep.
Alright, what time is it? Like 8:45? Too early. old R.P.M vlog.
number 3.
Always remember to bring water.
Number 4.
Be confident and energetic.
Yes, keep moving. Number 5.
Do it with your friends, because if you're not having fun, you're gonna tire out and read like want to stop. 느낌, yeah, I know you are.
The world is ours. Did you know?